Welcome to the lecture of Kali Linux installation. In this lecture, we will learn how to install the VirtualBox. Inside the VirtualBox, we will install Kali Linux operating system. The VirtualBox is like a virtual machine or the device which you are using on. First, we will insert the VirtualBox into your desktop machine by going on virtualbox.org website, where easily in open source manner the VirtualBox is available. Now by downloading the latest one, we will install the VirtualBox for the Windows machine. The VirtualBox software downloading has been completed. Now we will open the VirtualBox installation. Now the setup has been opened. By clicking next, by locating the file where you want to locate the VirtualBox application, by checking all the different options, now we will install Kali Linux by going on website linux.org. You should have torrent pre-installed into your machine for the normal VirtualBox version, or else you have to download the OSA installation which is being shown in this video. We will download the 64-bit VirtualBox as this desktop version is also 64-bit. By clicking on torrent, the link will be downloaded, and by opening the link, the torrent application will open. This is 64-bit AMD OVA file. AMD 64 is the chipset used in this Kali Linux. By opening the Kali Linux software of 64 AMD, now you have to import by setting all the options. Now by clicking on Start, it will open the Kali Linux. But before peeking into the Kali Linux operating system, we have to complete its setup. By clicking on Kali GNU Linux, there are limited tools being unlocked inside Kali Linux, and in advance, there are more such tools unlocked which are premium and some are paid premium. It will load the Kali Linux AMD 64. The installation may take some time according to your desktop machine. Also, when you install the operating system Kali Linux directly into your computer or laptop, it compulsory grants 50% of hard disk storage, but through VirtualBox, the amount of storage you want to append, it will use that much storage only. It may take some time to open when you install Kali Linux first time in your VirtualBox. This Oracle VirtualBox is much reliable and very much flexible to use. There can be multiple operating systems running at a time inside your Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now by writing the username ROOT and the password as TOOR, by clicking on sign in you will land up to the desktop of Kali Linux. This is the terminal of the Kali Linux. From here, every commands get executed. In normal Windows, like options like copy, paste, delete, every options are being performed by right click. But in Kali Linux or normal Linux and other versions of OS of Linux, the small commands like copy, paste, delete are also being performed through the terminal. The Kali Linux is an open source operating system through which you can perform any kind of hacking spoofing, penetration testing, and many different such things through which the vulnerabilities or the bugs or the data you can fetch are being performed. That's all from the lecture of VirtualBox and Kali Linux installation with its features.